nature. Moon.
Moon. Moon. Moon. The moon is the largest object in the night sky.
Rain.
Rain. Rain.
Do you carry an umbrella when it rains?
Sun.
Sun. Sun.
The sun normally shines very brightly in summer.
Cloud.
Cloud. Cloud. Cloud.
What shape are these clouds?
Moon.
Moon.
Rain.
Rain.
Sun.
Sun. Cloud.
Cloud.
Here. Down. Find.
Here.
Down.
Find. For.
Seam.
Done.
At the park. Trail.
Trail.
It is nice to walk on the trail. Seesaw.
Seesaw.
Each child sits at one end of the seesaw.
Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Children enjoy playing in the sandbox.
Bench.
Bench.
She enjoys her time sitting on the bench.
Trail.
Trail.
Seesaw.
Seesaw. Sandbox.
Sandbox.
Bench.
Bench.
Ah. 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 Otter. Otter. Ah. On. On. Ah. Ox. Ox. Words start with O. Ox. On. Otter. Olive.
Ostrich.
Octopus.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome! Rain.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Seesaw.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Sun.
Can you point to?
Moon. Awesome! Moon. Which one is bench? Awesome! Bench.
Can you pick out?
Cloud.
You did it!
Cloud.
Which one is
Done.
Fantastic!
Which one is?
down?
That is right.
Hooray! You finished the lesson!
Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.